Hello, welcome to the March 8th version of the SIG CLI biweekly meeting. I'm Sean Sullivan, I'm your host. We may have a pretty short meeting today. There's not a whole lot on the agenda, but I'm gonna go straight into the announcements. So the first announcement's about our version 127. We have a code freeze in less than a week, next Tuesday on the 14th. The release itself is scheduled for 4 weeks later, Tuesday, April 11th. I'd like to also announce that the SIG CLI is going to be creating an annual report, which will be starting by the end of this month, that will be merged by April. This will mostly be the chairs that are responsible for this, but if there's something that you want to make sure gets included in the SIG CLI annual report, please let us know, and there's a link to the community issue. With that, I'm going to ask, is there anybody else who has anything else to announce to the SIG CLI? Okay, we can move to the next phase of the meeting, which is where we get to meet the new members. So if you haven't been to a meeting before, or you haven't been here for a while, and you would like to introduce yourself to the SIG CLI, this is your opportunity. This is completely voluntary. If you don't want to, that's fine as well. Is there anybody who would like to introduce themselves to the SIG CLI?
Hello, hi.
Anant, did I pronounce that correctly?
Yes, that was actually on point as well. So my name is Anant Vijay, and I prefer to go by my online name, that is Dragon. I'm a full stack web developer, and I'm used to working with a lot of cloud native technologies as well. I've worked on Kubernetes as well as Mesh before, and I thought that I should give working with Kubernetes a shot as well, because the entire Kubernetes landscape stems from this. So yeah, I've been just going through the repos, skimming through issues, trying to find things that I could hunt.
Great. Well, please reach out to us if you need any more guidance on that journey. And
sure,
welcome.
Thank you.
Is there anyone else who would like to introduce themselves to the SIG CLI? If not, we'll move on to the next section, which is subproject and kept updates. Is there any subproject or kept updates? If not, we could move on to the only item on the agenda. Caitlin, you'll have plenty of time to present. Would you like to go ahead and present to the, is there anything to present? Should I click, let me click on this and see if I can.
I don't think I need to share my screen or anything. Just Katrina's been working with me on getting server side auto out, and I have a PR up. It's still a little bit rough, so if anyone has time, she's on vacation until Monday, so if anyone has time to just give me any guidance so I can try and get it done by Tuesday, that would be great. If not, I'll keep chugging away.
So so have you been coordinating at all with Antoine or with Alex, who've also been working in this area?
Yeah, they don't care that much for this feature, but Katrina and I think that it's still valuable, so offered to have me do this part since they're not fussed about it, and I've reached out to Antoine as well to ask if he would review, given that it's tied to his KEP.
Got it. Okay. Is there anything else that, so as I mentioned before, this is probably going to be a very short meeting. Is there anything else that you wanted to continue there, Kaylin, or should I close the meeting?
That's all I have.
Okay. So before I close and give everybody a lot of time back, is there anything else that we should talk about before we close? Anything that's important for the upcoming code freeze next week. Okay, well, I appreciate everybody showing up, even if it was only for 10 minutes. It's good to see everybody, and I'll see you all in 2 weeks. So. Stop.